Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and make you want me.
Now that I escape, sleep, walk, awake. Those who correlate know the world ain't cake. Jail bars ain't golden gates. Those who fake, they break. When they meet their 400-pound mate, if I could rule the world, everyone would have a gun in the ghetto, of course, when get the up and on their horse. Kick around drinking moonshine. I pour shit to the concrete. But in the seats that don't why Clef's in a state of sleep, thinking about the robbery that I did last week. Money in the bag, banker look like a drag. I wanna play with pelicans from here to Baghdad. Gun blast, think fast, I think I'm hit. My girl pinched my hips to see if I still exist. I think not. I'll send a letter to my friends. I wanna get
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and slowly. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and make you want me. I play my enemies like a game of chess where I rest. No stress if you don't smoke cess. Less, I must confess, my destinies manifest. In some Gore-Tex and sweats, I make tracks like I'm homeless. Rap orgies before you invest. Capture your bounty like everything that's yes. Bless you if you represent the fool, but I hex you. So which is cool if you do. I couldn't wish you easy. Believe me, frontin' chicken it be heebie-jeebies. So why you imitating Al Capone? I can be the Simone and defecating